Hi everyone, trying to install Microsoft Teams and you get this error. So let's see how you can get rid of this in the most easiest way. To get started, simply open your browser and go to this web page and download the software. Click on zip here to download the file. After you download it, extract the file. Now right click over this file and run it as administrator. From here, find any existing installation of Microsoft Teams, right click over it and select uninstall and click on yes to uninstall it. Once done, close this window. Now search for run to open the run dialog box. Here type %local app data % and click on OK. From here, go to the Microsoft folder. Find and delete all the Teams folder you see here. Once deleted, close everything and restart your computer. After restart, open your browser, go to this link, download the 7-zip tool and install it. After installing 7-zip, come to this web page and download the Microsoft Teams file from here. So once you downloaded it, simply right click over it. You'll get the option of 7-zip, select it and extract the file. Now go to this folder, right click over this file and extract it using 7-zip. Now go to the extracted folder. Go to the lib folder, then net45 folder. You will get a Teams application here. Simply right click over it and run it as administrator. That's it. Team will launch this time and you won't get any errors further. However, to make it convenient to use, you can simply right click over the Teams application, click on send to and create a desktop shortcut for easy access. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.